Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Old Bonnie the Bunny here, and today I'm with my brother. Say hi, Joey.
Hi. What? Does that look like water?
He's playing Animal Jam Play Wild
Yeah, but it's
on the iPad.
Yeah, it's on the iPad.
Sometimes, Joey, sometimes.
Sometimes I want to do stuff on my iPad.
Oh wait, let's make a new animal. Okay,
Yeah.
together.
Ooh, that fox looks cool.
Pick one.
One of what?
Pick an animal.
Wait, I picked that fox.
Okay. Next, pick a name.
What is that? Happy?
Happy.
Brave bunny.
Okay. Let me turn on my animal names. Even though that's not working right now. Okay, let's do this together. Pick out the stuff you want to put on the animal. And I'll pick out some stuff too.
I'm just going to play.
No, Joey, you have to help. Come on. I can't do this alone.
Go up, please.
Blanket?
No.
Two. Wow. The pink one?
Yep.
The pink one. You want the pink one?
No, I want this one.
But it doesn't really match your outfit. Why don't we do black and red?
Yeah.
Okay. And legs. Pick something on your leg for your legs, Joey. Joey, pick something for your legs. What? The watch?
Yeah.
The watch. Okay. Now we have to pick out some colors. Do you want black? Because that would match, right?
Yeah.
Black. Okay. What for this? What for this?
What's that?
It's just right here. See right here.
Black.
Okay. Let's go with black too. Okay. Right here.
These
are the feet and the ears. These are different patterns too. This?
Yes.
How about we do in red? Because that looks better.
What?
Oh wait, I'm pretty sure we forgot a neck item. Pick something for your neck. It goes all the way down to here.
I don't have anything.
How about a scarf?
The
black scarf.
Aren't we still on YouTube?
Yes, we are, Joey. Yes, we are.
The car.
But then you can't see it. How about with the scarf?
Yeah.
You can see the ribbons.
Wow, you look like a... What's coming out of your face?
There's lightning. Okay. Now we gotta make an animal for this guy. Pet. I meant pet.
I'm going in the hole.
Okay. I'm gonna recycle you or not.
Yay!
Don't. It's not. Okay, Joey.
Yeah.
Joey, we're making a new animal. Pick a pet. Don't pick the dinosaur. Oh, you want the spider?
Yeah.
Okay. Pick how you want. Pick what color?
Red.
Red? Okay. Pick color down here. Pick a color down here.
Blue.
Blue. Right here?
The one next to this one.
This blue. Okay. Now pick an eye.
What?
Pick an eye. Color. Red. Okay. Now pick some stuff right here. So pick a pattern, a bottom, and eyes.
I want to do this first.
Eyes first.
I like this one.
Okay. Now the legs.
Yeah, that's one.
This one?
Oh, yes, that one.
Okay. Now the butt.
That. You passed it. That one.
Okay. Now we pick a name. Joey, pick a name.
Ninja. Pain.
Pirate?
Ninja pirate. No.
Now we gotta decorate your pet. You ready to decorate it?
Decorate my pet.
Yeah, give it some clothes and stuff. Okay, pick out what you like.
Socks.
The socks? Tell me when you like it.
I like those socks.
You like the wheels? Like the wheels?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now pick a thing that goes underneath you.
Red.
This doesn't really show up though. How about blue?
Yes.
Okay. Now pick something up for your bag. Or nothing at all.
I like this.
The pirate hat?
The
camper. This?
Yeah. Look, he's happy.
Okay.
No.
What else is there to do? Oh wait, we could decorate a den together.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What about this thing?
I need more gems. I must recycle some stuff. I don't need those chairs. Don't need this. Now let's see if I can buy some den. 200. 200. Why are you gonna be so 200?
Look at me.
Why you gotta be?
Why do you gotta be so blue?
Don't you know I'm human too? I'm gonna marry her anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what they say. Marry that girl. John, why do you keep on kissing my bed?
Not. I'm just kicking back.
It's kind of annoying, Joey. I want my fridge. I like that.
The tiger is new.
Yeah, I know. So you need to get 300 gems for that and look at this stuff. You have to buy that. Okay, here's a small house. Okay, Joe, we're gonna buy this den. We're gonna buy this. Okay, we're gonna go to this. Joe, we have to decorate this den. Decorate it. Pick what you want.
Is there a new one?
Pick where you want to put your stuff.
I don't like
The fireplace? Okay.
And this, like a trophy right there.
Sounds good. Point to anything you want. Chair?
Yeah. Right there. And the couch. Yeah. That's how.
Okay.
That's
Anything
how,
else? Look, you could even get this. Joe, it's kind of empty. We don't even have the walls yet.
It was a Halloween one.
Now the floor. This, okay, lava. Anything else?
Yes.
What?
These leaves.
Do you want me to put them like?
Yeah.
You know, it's not really Halloween anymore, Joey.
I know. Just, you haven't had a Halloween day.
Actually, I had.
What?
I have.
You
Okay.
went
Let's go.
Trick-or-treating got Animal Jam. Oh,
Okay, pick some. Is there anything else you like?
Honey?
Is there anything else you like?
Honey.
Yeah, I downloaded that.
Ooh, I'm going to play it.
Okay, see anything else you like?
No. Can we just start playing the game?
Oh, do you want a window?
No, thank you. I just want to play.
Okay, well, you just put the window there real quick. Turn it dirty.
Dun, dun, dun.
Bye, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye, guys.